Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening. My name is Muhammad Rasli Rais. My student's number is 2018 12 57 000 and 6. I am from class 4C and I am going to do the last project of academic speaking lesson to fill the final test score of the lesson. And the activity is to explain to the students briefly about procedural or procedure text by learning doing method. Well, we are in the class and the students are the ninth grade of junior high school. Well, I'd like to explain about the definition of learning by doing. Learning by doing was developed by John Dewey according to C.T. Nila 2005 page number 30, which states that men have to do something to this when they wish to find out something. They have to other conditions. Learning by doing is planned by setting a specific time and place learning by doing. For each competency, learning emphasizes drill, review, demonstration, and systematic learning to provide learning experiences to students in accordance with the situations and conditions in the world of work. The teacher plays an active role as a facilitator that helps facilitate student learning as a resource who is able to invite students' thoughts and creations, as managers who are able to invite students' thoughts and creations, as managers who are able to design and carry out meaningful learning activities, and can manage necessary learning resources. Students are also invited in the learning process with the teacher because students are guided, taught, and trained to explore, search, ask questions, investigate, answer to questions, manage, and communicate their results briefly. Functions and objectives, purpose of learning by doing. The first one is introducing several realities in teaching, and the last one is carry out a series of direct teaching by involving students to solve problems with the guidance of the teacher. Well, we are going to the material. What is the procedure text? Procedure text is a text that explains or helps us how to make or use something. Its social function is to describe how something is completely done through a sequence of event or sequence of series. The purpose of this text is to tell the reader how to make or how to do something through a sequence of events and series. There are three generic structures in procedure text. The first is goals or purpose. The second is materials or tools. It is telling the needed materials. The third and the last are steps or methods, describing the steps to achieve the purpose. Usually, the procedure text is using the language features. The first one is use adverbial of sequence like first, second, third, and the last. The second one is use command or imperative sentence, like put the noodles on the, cut the onion, and so on. The third one is using adverbials to express detail, the time, place, manner, accurate. For example, for 5 minutes, until 2 hours, and etc. Using action verbs, for example, make, take, go, boil, cook, and etc. And make sure you using simple present tense. For example, how to make a happy milk tea? Yeah, happy milk tea. When fasting, the body has no nutritional intake for approximately 14 hours, so that the stored energy is reduced and the body will feel weak. This happens because the glucose producing reserves of energy in the body decreases as a result of our daily activities. Foods or drinks that are good for consumption when breaking are foods that contain natural sugars, such as fruit and honey, or foods that contain complex carbohydrates. And this is one of them, a happy milk tea, because the healthy drink can make you happy. The ingredients and materials are 1 piece of tea bag, green tea is more properly, 1 teaspoon of milk, 70 milliliter of hot water, 30 milliliter of water, 1 teaspoon of honey, a cup, and a spoon. Let's do it. How to the steps going on. First, put a piece of tea back into the cup. And then pour 70 milliliters of hot water into the cup. Wait a minute. Then dye the tea bag till the water becomes brown. Pour 1 teaspoon of milk and 1 teaspoon of honey into the cup. Stir them with a spoon evenly. If you want to drink immediately, please add 30 milliliter of water into the cup. Stir it, and finally the happy milk tea is ready to be served. Bismillah. Alhamdulillah. English skill can be improved, namely reading. As a kind of text, it needs to understand so the students can distinguish it with the others. The second one is writing. The students can make a good writing of procedure text by apply learning by doing method. Well, that's all of my presentation of the final test. And thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.